majestic train. I will catch it. It's the last thing I do. I'm coming for you, train. You may be a pain train, but you cannot stop me. To another Beastly Biscuits gaming episode, and well, I'm doing some more Plants vs Zombies Garden Warfare. See what? Ooh, the pain train. That sounds fun. You know, I tried to catch it. Seems you cannot catch the pain train. Remember that. You can never catch the pain train. It's bad because you need the pain train. Pain train is you. Pain train is me. Pain train is everybody. I have no idea what accent. But like you saw at the thing, I have two characters. If you've seen any other of these videos, you know that first of all, I'm going to mute it just because some people can end up talking. I am sorry about that. But as soon as I have it in my power to turn the sound back on, I will. So look, pea shooters, look, plasma pea, berry shooter, law pea, I don't know. I'm just gonna use my... No! I don't want to be a law pea. Doesn't feel right. I'm turning the sound back on now. But look. Oh, it's like an old-fashioned Western kind of thing, like 6 fast-ish shots. So does anyone know what you're supposed to do in this one? So I'm just going to be showing off different characters this one, and well, hyper! My guy is hyperventilating. Where are the zombies? Seriously? I was run over by a train? I guess it is called Crazy Train! Oh, without that. We have to play this game while holding down B. Die! All zombies will perish by the hand of me! Okay, and now I'm gonna be a sniper. I'm gonna be an elite sniper. Look, Agent P. He's kind of like a sniper, and then there's Camo P, who's like a minigun guy. Look, see, he has a really good range, and look. Don't tell me that's not like a sniper. And the problem is, in this game, it's very hard to get a good vantage point. So what are we supposed to do? Like, shoot this? How do you get points in this? I have no idea. Wait, I'm just gonna mute some people. Ooh! Gonna have to mute them. No, I need to toggle mute.
I'm so low, 78.
Good, some peace and quiet. Please stay the way you are. Unmuted. I'm just gonna exit the game. And we can play a different game mode. So, well, the first time I did one of these, you guys liked it. So I'm trying to do that again. And welcome to the P50. Oh, it's just G-play. Capture. Let's play this game. As I say, this game is pretty fun. Like, it's kind of like a third-person shooter, except your things and also like the varieties are so different. Like, peas are good, but like also I really like being the cactuses because you can like, if this, I like saw like, what would you call this, like a variety of this game where they turned it into like a first-person shooter. Like the pea was like a normal guy, and like the cactus was like a defender, but also he could call in a helicopter. It was really cool. I'm gonna be a cactus. Jade cactus? Sounds cool. Sounds like a nice guy. Ooh, he looks like someone from. Looks like some. Sorry about that noise. The only problem is you can't really, well, run in this game, to say the least. Come on, I want to help with A. I want to help with A. Mine's away! Righto. Oh no! Train's character, definitely. I'm gonna be a sunflower. Ooh, a sunflower. I'm gonna be an alien flower. La 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 la. I kill you now if I want to do. Anyone need some help? The flowers are the real heroes. Just because they heal people. Oh, and that guy's scared. You scared, son? Whoa, what kind of mask does this thing have on it? Wait. What kind of mask does this have? That is the creepiest thing I've ever seen. I'm gonna be a chomp thing. Please tell me I'm gonna be like Frankenstein's monster. In school I just read it. Not by my own choice. Well, sort of by my own choice. I was forced to read a book, so. Oh, did you see that? It's like a lawnmower. I like this music. We just took back the Suburban. Wait for it. That guy's gonna. Ben to the rescue. Oh, that guy's dead. La 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 la. He's just like. Oh no, you're going down, son. Hello. I'm muting it. So guys, I just regen that guy and now. Chompers OP. Ow, something's hurting me. Poison! Just look how he does this. I really wanted to see how he kills someone. Hey, Doctor! It's Cheetos! Oh! I just like devour it. Okay, time to... Where's the last one? Oh, that's the one I helped help. That's the one I helped help. Mega! He was a good friend and a terrible ally. No one's gonna save poor old P. I'm gonna be my good old Camo P. One of the strongest people in my inventory. My soldiers. Never. Okay. I'm sending him off to go fight. I like that he has a porcupine hat. Whatever it's called. I'm going down. Oh. I hate those guys just because they have healing stations. They're like... I'm gonna be a chomp thing again, so it's so funny. Fun. Oh, and by the way, if you want me to play any game, just leave it in the comments. I do read the comments. And, well, you know, if you want me to be any other characters, tell me. And, well, if you like this, please leave a like. And do what you want. And I hope you like the video. Like as in like, not as like as in like. Like is like, whatever. Like as in, I hope you like this video. Oh, that guy, those guys know to run. The chopper's out! Oh, I just like viciously mauled them. Wow, this is awesome. I'm gonna be a future cactus. I think this is one of those guys that, like, you know, their special powers. Oh yeah, this is a charge up guy. No, I clicked Y. Wait, I can get hurt. Someone else can hurt me. I'm gonna rip someone. Don't get mad, Ben. Ooh, I'm a chomper. Sorry, just chompers. Instant kill. Oh no, no, no! This is not happening. This guy looks awesome. Look. Just listen to him. Oh, and look how much health he has. Oh, that guy knows to hide now. Run! I'm viciously mauling you to death. Oh no! Whoa, this guy is so strong. Did you just see that he ate someone and he could eat them again? But seriously. From what I can tell, this guy can like eat people quickly and not die, but like I think he can eat two people in a row. But the problem is he's extra slow. Also, he has extra health. I think that's gonna be a helpful guy. I know the zombies are almost won. Come on, chomper brethren, you will survive. You will survive. I'm just gonna be this guy one more time. I like that chomper. Awesome. My friends are helping. Oh, me and my friend, two chompers, are helping keep this place safe. Because literally, any zombie that walks in is gonna die. Follow it now. Run for it! Die! Die! You will be viciously mauled! Look, like, I just ate him. Oh no. And now look how quickly I devour them and then I can eat them again. See, like, I eat them, and then I swallow them so quickly. Come on, get him, my brethren! Oh no, this place is so weak. The zombies can't have won. Ugh. Oh, also, if you want me to play any game modes, if you want me to do anything, there's plans somewhere. Oh, we've lost. I think I'll do one more quick round of PvP. La 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 la. Also, the music in this is really nice. Welcome back. Pain Train, Suburban's Vanquished. Gnome Bomb? Yeah, I think I'll do some Gnome Bomb. Hey, you want a Gnome Bomb? No bomb. Okay, no bomb. It's really annoying that you can't, like, you know, turn the sound off in the middle of a game. Like, you have to wait until the end of the game to mute some people who are being very loud. Disco zombies can't be... Wait, oh, disco. Loading, 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 ding, la 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 la. Chompers. Ooh, hot rod chomper. Let's just have a look at this guy. Sounds cool. Hey, what up? I can see the gnome bomb. Speed! Speed is... Must get to the speed. Must get there with all speed. Look, I'm a hot rod. Oh, I got him! This guy isn't the best. I'm definitely going to be the metal chomper if I am ever a chomper. Oh, this guy's going down, down, down. Good guy! Come on, come on. Oh no, we've been blown up once. I repeat, we have been blown up. If I'm ever a chomper, I'm definitely going to be the metal chomper. So long. Zombies of the gnome. I must remember, I need to get that with all speed. I'm going to be a toxic pig. They're cool looking and also they poison people. A bomb, a simple bomb can get rid of this off. That was complete madness. Come on, Ben! Ben, you can do this! That scarecrow is innocent. I know he was. These zombies are going down. You have awoken the beast, douche. That guy again? I'm just muting it. No, not respawn now. My fingers are just getting so mad. Yes. Okay, come on, come on. I really should pick the sniper piece. Okay, I got someone with it. It's just so funny that like everyone goes after him. Get him! Plans have the gnome. Oh, that's the guy. You're the guy that killed me before, you idiot. No! We have one heart left. Change character. Sorry, just have to mute that. I'm really, really sorry. Armor Chomper. It just looks so cool as well. All I got was a pair of shades. He would be the best. Like, I'm gonna... Finally, now I know. So guys, as soon as this... Everyone is muted. This will rain untold havoc upon the plants if we lose this one. If we lose this one, all plant kind might die with it. No! Oh no, this is always the problem. Defusing it. Okay, that was all speed. Speed is the key right now. Speed is key. No! Defuse the gnome bomb. No, you stupid little gnome. Oh, this sucks. They just shove that in your faces, don't they? They're just like, here, I have a plate of 4 dead scarecrows. Well, they had 2 more people than us. It was not fair. Okay, and the 20... Oh, 25. Let's buy zombie. Seems they. What? Ooh, that's $8.50 now. Well, goodbye guys. This was another Beastly Biscuits Gaming episode. Like I said, if you want me to do any more of these videos, play any different characters, and play any different games, please leave that in the comments, like if you want, and goodbye!